Eureka, Grade 2, Module 3, Lesson 9. Count from $10 to $1,000 on the place value chart and the empty number line. Oh, hey there! Don't mind me. I'm just trying to reach my piggy bank. I've almost got it. Ah! Whew! That was close. Good thing I fell right into my chair and saved my piggy bank. Welcome back. Thanks for coming back to do some more math with me. Remember, yesterday was payday. I got paid and had some money that I needed help counting. You were a great help. Today I want to look at what I have in my piggy bank. Here it is. I took all of the money out of my piggy bank and spread it out. It's exactly $776. $776 were inside of my piggy bank. Here they are, all spread out according to value. 7 $100 bills, 7 $10 bills, and 6 $1 bills. 7 $700 bills make 700. 7 $10 bills make 70, and 6 $1 bills make 6. So 700 plus 70 plus 6, $776. I want to get to $900. I know I can get there adding $1 at a time. I would just start at 776 and add $1 at a time. When I get to 10 ones, what can I trade it for? You're right. One more $10 bill. When I get to 10 $10 bills, what can I trade those for? You got it! One more $100 bill. Remember, 10 of a smaller unit makes 1 of the next largest unit. 10 $1 bills will make 1 $10 bill. 10 $10 bills will make 1 $100 bill. We can start where we're at, 776, and count to 900 by ones. We will add $1 bill at a time. Remember, when we get 10 $1 bills, we can trade for a $10 bill. When we get 10 $10 bills, we can trade for a $100 bill. Are you ready to help me count from $776 to $900? Great. Here we go. We're going to start by saying $776 because that's where we're at. And we'll count on by 1. 776, 777, 778, 779, 780. Do you remember what I can do with these 10 ones? Good work. Trade it for a 10. Whew! Now we're at 780. Here we go. We've got to keep counting by ones. Or, hold up. Should we do it differently? Think about this. I could keep counting by ones all the way to 900. Trading 10 ones for a $10 bill, trading 10 $10 bills for a $100 bill. Or do you think there's a faster way? Do you think counting by ones from 776 to 900 is the most efficient or fastest way? If you said no, you're correct. We can do this in a much more efficient and faster way by using ones, tens, and hundreds, not just ones. Let's take a closer look at this. Here is $776. 7 hundreds, 7 tens, 6 ones. That's what I had in my piggy bank. Now remember, I wanted to get to $900. We want to do it in a more efficient or faster way by using ones, tens, and hundreds rather than just ones. So let's think about this. I'm at 776, I want to get to 900. What's the next unit number I should go to first? Do you remember? It would be the next friendly number. That's right, it's the next 10, which would be 780. We would get there by adding ones. Let's do it. We're at 776. Here we go. 776, 777, 778, 779, 780. There it is. When I add 4 more $1 bills, I've made it to 780. That's the next friendly number. It was the next unit, which was the next 10. Now that I'm at 780, I could keep using $1 bills, remember. But there is a more efficient way. What unit should I use now to get to the next friendly number? If you said $10 bills, you're right. Our next friendly number would be the next unit, which is the next 100, 800. We're at 780. Let's add $10 bills till we get to the next unit, which is 800. Count with me by 10, starting at 780. 780, 790, 800. There it is. Using two $10 bills got me to the next friendly number or unit, which was 800. Now remember, I want to get to 900. I'm at 800 right now. What unit could I use now to help me get from 800 to 900? If you said the $100 bill, you're right. Let's count by hundreds as I add one $100 bill to 800. 800, 900. There it is. We made it. That was much more efficient, much faster, using all of our different units and not just $1 bills. We used 4 $1 bills to get from 776 to the next friendly number, which was 780. At 780, we used 2 $10 bills to get to the next friendly number, which was 800. And at 800, we used one $100 bill to get to the next number, 900, which is where we wanted to get. Let's take a look at this process on the number line. This long black line represents my number line. You don't see any numbers on it right now. That's because this is a blank number line. Let's think about where we started. We had how much money in the piggy bank? Do you remember? You're right, we had $776. So on my number line, I'm going to start at 776. There it is. I marked it 776. Now, I need to show the steps I took to get to 900. Let's go down and look at the first step. I went from 776 to 780 by adding 4 ones. 4 ones got me to the next unit or next friendly number, which was 780. Then at 780, I decided to use groups of 10 or my $10 bills to get to the next friendly number or next unit, which was 800. I had to use 2 $10 bills. So 2 10s got me to the next friendly number, which was 800. There are my jumps on the number line. From 780, 2 10s got me to 800. Now, at 800, I still needed to get to 900. I used my next unit, which was one $100 bill, to go from 800 to 900. So 100 got me from 800 all the way to 900. These were the steps I took, shown on a blank number line. Here we've added the dollar sign because we were talking about dollars. We're counting all of these dollar bills. Down here on the number line, I didn't add my dollar sign. I'm just using numbers. It doesn't matter if you're counting money, counting place value blocks, bundling sticks, or just counting numbers. You can do this using the different values and using a blank number line. 776 Plus 4 ones got me to 780. At 780, 2 tens got me to 800. At 800, one more 100 got me to 900. That was my goal, to get from $776 to $900, or on my number line from 776 to 900. Wow, you are awesome! That was fun! You're going to have a chance to do this on Seesaw. I want you to head back and let's have some fun.